Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character with a menorah on his head, menorah hat. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so that's pretty much it, all right? We're going to go through it step by step. Like I said, I'm going to carry you through it, so just stay with me all the way to the very end. The video is only about 8 minutes, so let's get started. Before you do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe. It's not just for this season, right? So the season is, the Christmas season and, the Hanukkah season, all of that. It's more about next year. When you subscribe now, when I start posting videos again very heavily in about a year from now, during Halloween and Christmas, you'll just start seeing these videos on your feed. It'll be awesome. You'll just start seeing like how to draw stuff for this, how to draw stuff. It'll be great, and so it's pretty awesome. So hit that subscribe if you can, and let's start this whole thing. Okay, hit that bell notification. Curve over here for the top of the crewmate's visor. Curve over here at the front. Curve in the back here. Gonna go underneath. Line over here for the top of the head. For basically the forehead. Line down here. Line down here. Curve underneath here, curve underneath here. Line up, line in, line up here. Gonna go over here, find the backpack. It's gonna be at the top, and the bottom of the backpack is gonna be around the bottom of the body here. And I'm gonna go over here and connect the lines right there. Gonna go over here and curve for the top of the head here. It's gonna be that hat, and I'm gonna connect the the rest of the lines over here, like just to kind of seal it off. In, line up over here, down. So we have the middle of a menorah there. Gonna go over here around the side, pull out, up for one. Go over here on this side, out, and up for the other side. Go over here, put another one, same shape but a little bit smaller. Out over here, up over here, a little bit smaller. Go over here, up. And I'm gonna kind of close off the top here, close off the top. All right. And I'm gonna throw little flames at the top there. Okay, so one, right there. Two, right there. Three, look like it almost looks like a what do you call it? Like a water droplet almost. Right here, right here, right here, right here. All right. Good stuff. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw in a reflection here. So I'm gonna curve line right in front of it and throw a circle at the top. Line down, out, down over here, up over here, down. Curve. Out over here, down over here, in. Just kind of throwing a thick line around the outer border. The reason I do that is because I think it's just kind of like good to do that, to be honest. I just think it looks better. It looks like a sticker of some kind, just on the outer border of everything. Not everything, but just the out, like complete outer edge, which is what you're doing. So right here, it's gonna more or less merge it. There we go. And that's mostly it. There's things that you can do to fix this up as well. Let's throw a little bit of color actually in there. So I'm actually going to use this color. I normally don't use the Crayola markers, but I'll use it for this one. Because the thing is, they kind of, sometimes, a lot of times when they touch the black ink over here, they kind of screwed up. I got blue over here in kind of the reflection of the screen there. And then let's grab another one. Don't forget to, you can see the markers that I use. Go to the link in the description. The links have all that stuff in there. Go check it out. I'm using the Copic marker now here for the kind of yellow. The thing I like about these things is you can run through the black and it will hardly ever smear. Unless it's like really recent. Then it totally will smear. But it kind of depends on how you use it. So you have to just kind of be aware and be careful. Go over here to the center, Menorah. Let me know if you have any requests. I'm going to be posting once a day for the rest of the year, and I'm going to try posting rest of the day for, like, probably the rest of the year. I'll probably be posting once a day. But that's kind of like the schedule I'm going to be on. I'll put that link in the updates. If you want to go to a channel where I update constantly, go to Easy Pictures to Draw. I'll put the link in the below, and that's where I post throughout the year. That's also my channel. I'm going to go over here with a gray and go underneath here. See the bottom section here? And I'm going to go over here as well, just kind of around the bottom. And it's going to give it a cool reflection. Right there. And maybe under here as well, just to kind of show that little bit of under. There you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. You guys are awesome. I'm going to upgrade this channel massively next year. But like I said, I will be posting through the year, so stick around. Definitely hit that subscribe. I'll be posting 1 video a day as opposed to 3 videos a day like I was doing during the Halloween and Christmas season. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, all right? Say hi to me in the comments.